This is Bee Balm, also known as Wild Bergamot. Loved by butterflies, hummingbirds, and of course bumblebees, this magnificent plant that resembles something from space to me is also a member of the mint family. Bee Balm is a nervine, antimicrobial, and antispasmodic. Parts of the plant that are above ground are edible. Bee Balm tastes like a spicy mix of mint and oregano. Bee Balm is used as a tea, oxymel, jelly, tincture, mouthwash due to its thymol content, oil, salve, salad topper, vinegar, mead, and baked goods. Due to its thymol content, the active ingredient in most mouthwashes, it's also used as an herbal steam. While Bee Balm is most commonly used as tea, it's great in salves and infusions. But today, I'll be making a tincture. Today, I'm using fresh Bee Balm, but you can absolutely use dried. I'm cutting the heads in half so that the alcohol can saturate it well. For my alcohol, I'm using the Herbalist by McClintock Distillery here in Maryland. While I could use stems and leaves, I'm choosing just to use the heads, and I'll cover it fully with the alcohol. I'll put it in a dark place and shake it up every couple of days for about a month, then transfer it to an amber bottle for use.